I've created a content objective and a language objective. We now are able to, in the district, be able to combine those into one objective, which I really like this. Otherwise it seems, I don't know, less usable, especially by the students. So I really like the fact that we can combine the language objective and content objective. So I want to show you how I would combine them. And this is more like what I would write on the board for my students. So again, you would have the content objective. The students will be able to differentiate between elements based on their subatomic particles using the periodic table as a reference. The language objective, students will be able to complete a guided inquiry atomic model simulation by discussion with their partner, drawing atomic diagrams, and completing a worksheet. It would give students, you, and maybe administrators if they're observing, a more direct, summarized view of the lesson. Now, ultimately, in my opinion, this objective is really for the students. It's for you to guide your thinking, but to help really guide the students if the students are using it well. So I like to make it really student friendly. I personally, instead of writing students will be able to, I personally will change this to say we will differentiate between, etc. So I like to make it more personalized for the students. I also have them literally copy it down in their notes, and they take notes after that. So it really helps them focus, and it helps draw them into the lesson. It helps them see what they're going to be doing, so it's almost kind of like a little agenda, so they have a really good idea of what they're going to be doing that day. So that's how I prepare with the content and language objectives, and this becomes now what we call the learning objective.